Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you ready to take your audio production to the next level? Introducing the Sony MDR-M1 Professional Reference Closed Headphones, the ultimate game changer for music producers and audiophiles alike. With its sleek design and LED lights, this headset is not only stylish but also packed with features that will make your ears thank you. Many customers have fallen in love with these headphones and have given them rave reviews, and it's easy to see why. The ultra-wide playback range of 5 Hz to 80 kHz gives you an incredibly detailed and precise sound, allowing you to pick up on even the faintest nuances in your music. The soft, thick earpads provide a reassuring, comfortable fit that makes you feel like you're wearing a cloud, even during the longest recording sessions. But what really sets these headphones apart is their ability to accurately reproduce the creative intent of the artist, thanks to collaboration with renowned industry engineers. Whether you're mixing tracks, editing podcasts, or just listening to your favorite tunes, these headphones deliver a faithful sound reproduction that's hard to find elsewhere. The closed acoustic structure with effective sound isolation blocks out distractions and allows you to focus on the music, making it perfect for use in noisy studios or on the go. With their extreme lightweight design, you can wear them for hours without feeling fatigued, and the result is a more productive and enjoyable listening experience. So why settle for mediocre sound when you can have the best? Upgrade to the Sony MDR-M1 Professional Reference Closed Headphones and discover a whole new world of audio possibilities. Trust us, your ears will thank you, and you'll be wondering how you ever managed without them. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.